Now, the private sector is concerned about implementation of some tax policies and is calling for gradual tax adjustments to promote competitiveness across businesses. The tax amendment laws that were recently implemented brings in a wide range of indirect taxes for businesses and individuals. The private sector is calling on the government to devise ways of expanding the tax base as well as gradual tax adjustments.
They're just not numbers that you're putting there that we're going to increase this particular rate by 1% or by 1.5% or whatever. But what exactly does that look like on the ground when this individual is running their small hardware shop, or whether this manufacturer is running their factory?
The mistakes that have happened over the last 5 years, if we can trace from 2019, they have been catastrophic. Placing taxes on raw materials that are used by manufacturers, thereby shutting entire industries. Shifting of production from Kenya to other countries because of tax measures.
Steve Okoth, tax director at the Kenya Private Sector Alliance, called for enhanced consultations during drafting of tax policies.
To have high-quality jobs in the country, high-quality industries in the country. This is the economic policy. But then again, you find this particular proposal to tax those who actually run those entities at such a high level, such that you push them away from the country.
One of the things that Parliament is doing is to ably communicate in a simpler, understandable language to the members of the public what the amendment is or what the law intends to do, and the import of that, and try to carry everyone across in the conversation.
The private sector said the auto-populated VAT system complicates tax compliance, but Kenya Revenue Authority Chairperson Ndiritu Mureithi defended the system, saying it was working and that 52,321 taxpayers had, as at yesterday, already successfully filed their 2024 tax returns.
To remove the burden of that comes with actually preparing the returns manually. Of course, a change in technology can be bumpy, and what we encourage our clients to do is to reach out.
The Kenya Revenue Authority chairperson said the tax agency is leveraging digitization to boost and meet revenue collection targets.